Hi, this is John Hampton with Ryland Television, and today we're bringing you a special video. This is our new openings that we have developed for 2024. As we're getting ready to start the new year, we thought we'd refresh some of the openings for our channels. You'll see the new openings today, and certainly want to let you know we're getting ready for this new year. We got all kinds of great programming we're going to have for you in the new year. We're gonna roll our original opening to start off with. You'll see most often it says Ryland Television against the backdrop of Keel Mountain over in Gurley. And then you'll see our new disclaimer and Patreon card that will run at the end of the videos. You'll see the new Master Bassman opening. You'll see the new Fishing at Madison County Lake opening. You'll see the new Producer of the Week opening, the new Product Taste Test and Cooking opening, the new Railfan opening, the Road Geek opening, the new Tossing the Football Classics opening, and of course our new version of Like, Subscribe, roll in as well. Certainly want to thank you for being a viewer of Ryland Television in 2024. Have a great holiday season, and we look forward to see. Rather, well, we want to thank you for being our viewer in 2023. Let me correct myself there. And then we want to see you again in 2024. Have a happy holiday season. Stay safe, and God bless.